Welcome to Auto Show Cars. Today, we're diving into the latest innovations from Cadillac for the 2025 model year. Cadillac has been at the forefront of luxury and performance, and their 2025 lineup is no exception. Let's explore some of their standout vehicles. First up, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQL. This all-electric SUV is set to become the longest SUV in production, measuring an impressive 228.5 inches in length. This extended size translates to ample cargo space, offering 24.2 cubic feet behind the third row and expanding to 75.4 cubic feet with the third row folded. Passengers in the third row will appreciate the increased legroom and headroom, enhancing comfort on long journeys. Under the hood, the Escalade IQL boasts a 205 kWh battery pack, delivering an estimated range of 460 miles. With fast charging capabilities, drivers can add approximately 116 miles of range in just 10 minutes using a 350 kilowatts DC fast charger. The starting price for this luxury electric SUV is $132,695, with production slated to begin in mid-2025. Next, let's talk about the 2025 Cadillac Escalade V. This performance-oriented SUV combines luxury with power, featuring a 6.2-liter V8 supercharged engine that produces 682 horsepower and 653 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the Escalade V accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. It comes equipped with a full-time all-wheel drive system, allowing drivers to adjust torque distribution between the front and rear axles to suit various driving conditions. The Escalade V starts at $149,990, offering a blend of performance and luxury in a full-size SUV package. For those seeking a high-performance electric option, the 2025 Cadillac Lyriq V is a compelling choice. This electric SUV is Cadillac's quickest vehicle to date, boasting 615 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.3 seconds, edging out the CT5-volt Blackwing in terms of speed. The Lyriq V is equipped with a 102 kWh battery, providing an estimated range of 285 miles. It supports fast charging capabilities and features a CCS charging port. Unique touches like V-mode and simulated engine sounds enhance the driving experience. Production is set to begin in early 2025, with a starting price of $79,990. Another noteworthy addition to Cadillac's electric lineup is the 2025 Cadillac Optic. This compact luxury crossover SUV is built on GM's BEV3 platform and is powered by the Ultium battery technology. In China, it's available in two trims with outputs of 204 and 245 horsepower, respectively. The North American version, revealed in May 2024, features an 85 kWh battery and a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering 300 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque. It offers an EPA estimated range of 302 miles and supports fast charging up to 150 kilowatts, allowing drivers to add approximately 79 miles of range in 10 minutes. The Optic is set to be a more affordable entry into Cadillac's electric vehicle offerings. Lastly, we have the 2025 Cadillac Celestiq, a handcrafted electric luxury sedan that epitomizes Cadillac's commitment to bespoke craftsmanship. Each Celestiq is built by hand at GM's Technical Center in Warren, Michigan, with production numbers limited to maintain exclusivity. Notable features include a smart glass roof with adjustable transparency, a dashboard spanning touchscreen, and all-wheel drive with four-wheel steering. The Celestiq utilizes GM's Ultium battery technology and BEV3 platform, aligning with Cadillac's vision for an all-electric future. Pricing is expected to be around $300,000, positioning the Celestiq as a direct competitor to ultra-luxury brands. In recognition of its excellence, the Cadillac Escalade was honored as the best luxury full-size three-row SUV in the 2025 Parents' Best Family Cars Awards. This accolade highlights Cadillac's dedication to safety, comfort, and family-friendly features in their vehicles. Cadillac's 2025 lineup showcases a harmonious blend of luxury, performance, and innovation, reflecting the brand's commitment to leading the charge in the electric vehicle revolution. Stay tuned to Auto Show Cars for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest automotive trends.